Good afternoon, y'all. This is Josh with Drive the Coast. We are in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, here in the Panhandle, looking at the gorgeous Big Blue here, and also looking at this gorgeous 1972 short wheelbase Chevy C10. Gorgeous truck. Obviously, you got this super clean black paint, CST edition with wood grain trim on the side and the back there, red interior, super nice wood bed. This is a factory Chevy short wheelbase. I'm just gonna take a step back here. You can see that beautiful short wheelbase. Anyway, we put brand new tires on there. Maybe got 10 miles on them right now. Just super clean paint, nice interior. Motor fires up like it should. 327 with a turbo 350, 3-speed automatic. Got a nice wood bed here. Super clean, no issues at all, no rust, nice glass. Like I said, just a really clean truck all the way around. Get a nice reflection in the paint there. That's what you want. You don't have any bubbling down low in the doors or in the quarters. Got a nice growl to it. Rims are super clean. Beauty rings are clean. Like I said, interior is all super nice inside. This is just a great truck. Ready to hop in and go. Said got a nice growl to it. So anyway, let's give it a little fire up here. Hear what she sounds like. We got power steering, we got power brakes. Excellent. I'll love to have that stuff that makes it butter smooth to drive. There's a 3.7 motor. Got a new brake booster. Steering pump down there. Alternator, manifolds. They had recent spark plugs. Brand new battery on it. Anyway, just a super cool truck. Drive it as is. Take it to the next level. Whatever you want to do. Anyway, if you have any questions, give me a call. 850-502-1899. This is Josh with Drive the Coast. We do also have financing available. We do nationwide shipping. All that handled in our offices here in Florida. So let me know what I can do to earn your business. Thanks so much for watching.